Sonic's finally back. I know, but he didn't blow up his lab yet. So, the hedgehog just think he can blow up our lab. You're right. Okay. How will I wrangle back in my box? Unbox. What does it sound? Now we gotta close the door. Now that was a door crap. Why do you think there's a door crap? Now, what do you mean? Now I'm gonna go blow up their lab. I'm gonna come here and blow up your lab. Well, what do you think? Whoa, what happened to him? Whoa, that's impossible. I'm a supersonic. Impossible. His first time. Oh man, ugh. I'm gonna destroy your lab. Do you think you can? Yeah! No, he's destroying the lab. He's destroying the lab. Now that's how I destroy their lab. It's not their concern. Okay. Wow, I destroyed their lab. Too easy. Look at it. It's so torn apart. Meanwhile, at their base. Get off! I know, that's why I'm totally confused. Now that I boxed it back and boom. We're gonna have to rebuild the lab. I'm gonna rebuild this lab of my own stupidity. I'm building up the lab again. So then your box was wrangled right here. And then this is wrangled back here. So then you were wrangled here. Right. And this wrangled here. So now we have the whole lab again. This lab is now or never. Stay tuned for episode 11. Now let's take a good screenshot.